Well, the fallout continues today at the Capitol after the historic impeachment of Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton. The Tribune reports 6 members of Paxton's office are now taking a leave of absence to defend him in his impeachment trial. That is set to start by August 28th.
And for more on what this means for Texas, we are joined by UT professor Jeremi Suri. Good morning to you. Thanks so much for being here with us.
My pleasure,
today.
always.
A lot going on at the state capitol. Of course, we're talking about the impeachment of our attorney general. Talk to us about what we can expect from the trial in the Texas Senate.
Well, I think what we're witnessing is an internecine war within the Republican Party. And we're seeing that on the debates over property tax and many other issues, and that's certainly what's going on around the future of the Attorney General. There's one part of the party, represented by Dade Phelan, the Speaker of the House, and others, which believes in rules, which believes in law. They're very conservative, but they're problem solvers. And there's another faction of the party that Ken Paxton represents, which is all about power and thinks that if you have power, you can use power for whatever reason you want. That's what the Attorney General has done, and that's what he's been impeached for, breaking the law in the pursuit of power.
Yeah, let's talk about breaking the law for a second, because these are some serious charges. Of the charges made against the Attorney General, what one sticks out to you the most, or what's the most serious?
Well, I think the whistleblower charge, right? So this is the claim that he misused his office to serve the interests of a developer named Nate Paul and his own illicit relationship, or his at least relationship with someone he was not married to, who he was able to get a job for. The members of his staff, the highest level members of his staff, most respected lawyers in his office, resigned because he was misusing his office in their eyes. And they filed whistleblower claims, which are claims you can file against a powerful person if that powerful person is misusing their office. It is strictly against the law. It is a felony to retaliate against someone for filing a whistleblower claim. And all 4 of them have filed legal suits claiming that he retaliated against them. He fired all of them.
And real quickly, when we look at this trial coming up, does Paxton testify? What can we expect his role to be?
So the Senate will conduct a trial, and it will be up to Paxton and his lawyers how he wants to proceed. He might testify, but I doubt he will, because if he testifies, then under oath in the Senate, he will have to answer questions, which he might not want to do. So my guess is that when this trial begins, probably in August, in the Senate, he will have his lawyers present a case for him, but I doubt that he will testify. I do think the whistleblowers will testify, so we'll hear directly from them as well as others.
And of course, his wife, Angela Paxton, a serving state senator too. We're waiting to see if she will recuse herself. So a lot that we're keeping our eye on. Thanks so much for breaking it down for us, Jeremy.
My
we
pleasure.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. For more refreshing stories about your community, click the subscribe button over here. You can also download our Spectrum News app and tune in to Channel 55 on Dish and DirecTV to get live news coverage, weather updates every 10 minutes, and more. We'll see you then.